We're going to look at parts of the stream channel and the morphology or shape of the stream channel now. Looking at the images, the top two are valleys and the bottom two are canyons. The way a stream erodes is it's just going to be eroding within the stream channel, and then the banks of the channel are going to maybe slump into the channel over time if there's an unstable slope, but for the most part it's going to be a V-shaped channel. In the case of a canyon, the water, the walls of the canyon are stable bedrock that's not eroding as easily as in the V-shaped valley. So the stream is eroding straight down, maybe along a joint or plane of weakness in there. When that channel hits softer rock that's weaker, they can erode and undercut the harder rock above it. You can get the large chunks of rock falling into the canyon over time. A place like the Grand Canyon, is going to have rocks that erode easily, weaker rocks like a shaly or silty unit, and rocks that are more stable over time like a limestone or a sandstone. So they had stair steps and slopes and steps and slopes like you see here. So that would be because the rocks on the slopes are weaker, the rocks that have vertical cliffs are harder to erode. Rapids form in rivers where the class size is really big, maybe the gradient is really high, maybe there's bedrock underneath in the channel that's hard to erode, and so over time you can get rapids forming in the stream channel. Waterfalls, beautiful, are going to be places where the gradient is so steep that the water is in free fall. The base of the waterfall, where it plunges into the water here, there can be a really deep plunge pool. As that water erodes deeper and deeper, it makes a big pool. The waterfalls are in the headward direction, are going to be eroding back into the cliff. So like in this image, this waterfalls are eroding back to the left. An alluvial fan, we've seen this image earlier. Alluvial fans form because of that change in slope. So water is going to be coming out of that high relief mountain and bringing lots of sediment and then spreading it out in the alluvial fan when the velocity of the water drops down.